Hello again. Happy to see you again. How are you today? Are you happy? Are you fine? Okay, let's continue our learning. Today we learn about subject pronouns. Yes, subject pronouns. Listen and repeat. I. Pronoun I. I am a teacher. I. You. I'm talking to you, but just one. You. You are a student. You. You are a boy. He. He is a pronoun for a boy. He is James. He, a pronoun for a boy. He is James. She is a pronoun for a girl. She is Rebecca. She is Fatima. She. Here we see an animal and an object. So it is a pronoun for animals like dog, monkey, cat, a lion, and for objects, a pencil, a pen, a book, a window. We for we, all of us together. We, you and I. We are Moroccan. You again. You are students. You, the two of you are students. And they. Last one, pronoun they. They are girls. They are boys. They are objects. They are objects. I repeat again. Subject, pronouns, singular form. I. You. He, a boy. She, for a girl. It's, animals and objects. It's, and plural pronouns are we, you, and they. We repeat for the last time. Listen and repeat. Subjects, pronouns, singular form. I, you, he, boy, she, girl. It's a monkey. It's a pencil. Plural form. We, you, and they. All right, fine. Let's move to exercise number 2, page 12. Let's correct exercise number 2, page 12, and you complete the sentences with the correct subjects pronouns. Yes, good. So number 1, it's I. I am a teacher. Good. Number 2, how old is Dries? Is Dries a boy or a girl? A boy. Yes, that is. So the pronoun for a boy is he. All right, good. He is 12. Number 3, Jamal and I are students. We have Jamal and I. So the pronoun is we. We are in class 7. John, how old are you? I am speaking to you. John, I am speaking to you. How old are you? Number 5, what's your friend's name? All right, we have Salwa. Is Salwa a boy or a girl? A girl. All right, very good. So the pronoun for a girl is she. Exactly, good. Listen, I repeat, you listen and check your answers. Number 1, I am a teacher. Number 2, how old is Dries? He is 12. Number 3, Jamal and I are students. We are in class 7. Number 4, John, how old are you? Number 5, what's your friend's name? She is Salwa. All right, you are really very good. So let's move to verb B in the simple present affirmative form. Remember the subject pronouns? We have I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they. Where is the singular and where is the plural here? Yes, all right. Singular is I, you, he, she, and it. Good. Plural is we, you, and they. Check again. He is a pronoun for a boy. She is a pronoun for a girl. And it is a pronoun for animals and objects. All right, so let's move to verb B in the affirmative form. Full forms. I am. I am. I am a teacher. You are. You are a student. He is a boy. She is a girl. It is a book. We are students. You are students. They are students. I repeat again. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, they are. All right, very good. This is the full form. The short form. Your, his, she's, its, we're, your, their. Listen and repeat again. Your, his, she's, its, we're, your, and their. Perfect. Let's move to exercise number 3, page 13. Exercise number 3, page 13. Complete the sentences with where, his, its, and she is. Take 1 minute to do the exercise. All right. We correct. Here we have number 1. This is Samira. Samira is a girl, so the answer is